Diligently prepare the ground with a spade and amend it. Trace a 1-inch furrow with the tip of the rake and place seeds at 1.5-inch intervals. Cover with about 1/2 inch of soil and press down lightly with the back of the rake. When finished, water. To grow crunchy radishes that aren't too spicy, aim for fast growth, so moisten the soil often. To care for your plants, thin to 2 inches when plants have grown 2 or 3 leaves. Water. For a constant harvest, sow repeatedly. For example, 1 row every week or fortnight. Harvest the radishes when mature. Don't wait for them to grow too large.